Yesterday I built this app. It's not I didn't build the app, but the goal from yesterday's video was just to try to figure it out what I wanted. Why would I use OpenClaw? And then by the end of the night yesterday, I thought, okay, I don't really need OpenClaw. And I know that OpenClaw is an amazing tool if you want to connect, give your credentials, and you want to connect your tools or you want to build tools for OpenClaw to use it. Um, Not build the tools, but build the create the accounts in different tools like Notion, Google, and etc. for OpenClaw to use it. This is not what I want, right? I want an agent to help me with my daily tasks, and I don't want actually to have access to any other data that is not or any other tool that is not my own tools, and I will not give my personal credentials to OpenClaw. Um, OpenClaw is amazing and whatever, but what I see most of the developer, not developers, but most people doing is just like, I just build 14 different agents or four different, my OpenClaw just have a team of 14 agents and now they're working 24/7 for me. Okay, what are they doing? Right? So everyone is saying that, oh, now I have 20 employees working 24/7. Okay, what they are actually doing? So they are creating content, they are reviewing your finances, they are finding leads for you, they are, because everything that these people are using OpenClaw for are tasks that we have different tools that do the same thing basically. So we have tools to find leads, we have tools to create content autonomously, we have tools to schedule and post content. We have a bunch of things that a bunch of different tools that you can do the same thing without the security issues, right? And without the issues with hallucination, because if you have again, if you have an AI to do all these that people are doing without any human being behind, trying to creating the guidelines, creating the guardrails, or an AI that can override this, you can be a developer posting about cakes because cakes are trending and the AI just thought, okay, I'll just post about cakes. Or you can see, okay, you're spending too much money in food, so in takeouts. So I will order a bunch of food from the supermarket because it's a financially better option, right? And we don't want that. I don't want that, right? So I'm building this app here. So this app will basically have all the tools that I think that an AI agent needs to help me. And then instead of just having one AI agent to um, to um, to use this app that I'm building, I will build one master agent that will be my COO, right? And it basically can do everything that an OpenClaw can do, but inside of a box. So I will personally connect via API or MCP all the tools that I want. Then this CO will have access to different agents that will be the employees working 24/7. And then the only thing that I need to do is just create cron jobs to activate the COO, and then the CO will have a list of agents that it had access, and it can even create new agents. It can have access to a different set of tools, and it's basically will prompt OpenAI will return with a prompt. This prompt will have either a call to an agent with instructions for a task or whatever, and another list with tools. So if the CO don't want to call an agent, want to check the emails, so OpenAI will return and will say, yeah, go to the Gmail and access the last 4, 5 emails and send to Gil's Telegram. That's what it was going to do. It's just a cron job that will run every 5 minutes, and it will be the only guy that I will actually um, trigger via a cron job. So if the list of schedules inside these CO tasks is every day at um, 8 a.m., we need to trigger to call the content create agent to go and do research, write the posts, and schedule the posts. So it will do that every time at 10 p.m. At 8 a.m., we need the financial planner to go to Stripe and see what can we do to have a better management of the subscriptions from clients and whatever. um, so this is what I would do. I would just basically create one CO. The CO will have access to different agents with um, um, different job descriptions and different access to different tools. Okay, so my financial planner, I will create a tool here that is to I will upload my statement from the bank, and it will look every day to my at 11 p.m. It will look my statements from the day, and it will just manage this. Okay, this is the goal. This is just the goal is to create something that is similar to OpenClaw, but inside of a sandbox, basically. So yesterday I created a project here in the Scopes Flow, and I ran the foundation prompt. Now I will enable Lovable Cloud because Lovable Cloud because what I want is this project is a project for me to learn. So I will not create a super base project just for that. If I can create here in Lovable, right? Um, so yeah, I will just wait this to run, and then I will try to explain a little bit more what I want to do. I want an agent or a set of agents that can do stuff that I really need. So at this point, I want to create more content for X, for LinkedIn, for YouTube, but it's very hard for me because I don't have the time and I don't find a way to prioritize this. So I want to have this. I want to have a financial planner to help me. Hey, go to that I can say, hey, CEO, call the financial planner. We want to buy a house in 1 year. Have the financial planner to create a plan, check my statements, check my bank website to see how can we do this, what are the requirements, check what I make every month, and how we can build a plan for that. This is what I want, and I don't want to. Um, Again, I don't want to give my credentials to my bank account to whatever. So, and I know that this is what most people want, but this is not what I want, right? I want a place where I can be safe. That's it. I can do what I need to do and being safe. Okay, now we have connected to Lovable Cloud. Now we have our second prompt. This second prompt is um, user authentication and a workspace foundation. So we have all these nodes connected to this prompt. The only thing that I have to do is copy paste here. And this is just an update video, just so in, I don't know, 2 weeks I come back here and the app is completely different. So, but what I will do is I will run all the prompts that I have. Then I will check if something is missing, what I will do, I will create another video um, explaining what I'm doing. But either I will go back to our scope and I will add more stuff to our scope, or if what I need is already here, like I have a project content list page. If it didn't create it the way that I wanted, I would just ask our chat to create a prompt for that. Or I will come here and I will create a prompt, and then I will add to Lovable. So no matter how I will finish the app, I will come back here and I will show what I'm doing, basically. Okay. But I went through the pages and the features, and the only thing that doesn't align, and this is my fault, that doesn't align with um, what I wanted to do initially, but now I'm rethinking, is you had a system to, it's basically assess, right? And I didn't want to assess, I wanted an internal tool. But if I can grab this and turn either into a template that other people can create their own agents, or people can create SaaS using this, or even I will be the one to create a SaaS using this tool, this app. So I will leave the way that it is right now. Um, but yeah, the goal now is just to go through the prompts that I already have, run in Lovable, see how it goes, and then next steps are a bit more manual, where I need to go to and I need to do a QA, and with this QA, I will then build the next prompt and the whatever needs to be done. Honestly, I need. I will show how to go to our Google console to have your API keys to connect to to G Suite, so Gmail, Google Drive. I will also show how to connect the other tools that I want to connect. So I want to be able to post in X and LinkedIn um, automatically. So I know that I have a set of tools that I can use that will probably not be the actual API from X and from LinkedIn. So I will also show this, and any other integration that I want to do and I want to add here, like YouTube to get like the analytics from a YouTube channel, Instagram to post, or to have the analytics too. So everything that I will do here, I will show in the next videos. So this one was just an update. So if you want to see how this will go, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button. I'll try to bring more videos explaining how I vibe code and how I write my prompts, how Scopes will help me to write the prompts, and um, what are the goals with this project and the other projects that I have. So thanks for staying with me until now, and see you in the next one.